In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota MR2 key fob to change the internal battery at home. Don't worry, this is a very easy process. You will just need a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2025 batteries to get it done. Now, if you don't know where to find one of these batteries or you just like to pick one up online, I will leave a link down in the description for one of those batteries on Amazon for just a couple of bucks, and that will be the exact battery that you need for this particular device. So getting right into it, up on the top here we can see there is a little slot in the plastic, kind of an indentation along the seam. Just insert a flathead screwdriver into that area and just twist the screwdriver, and that will crack this thing open. You can set the back to the side. From here you will likely need to get a smaller tool. My flathead screwdriver is a little bit too large here. You can actually, and I have done this, you can just work the battery out with the corner if you don't mind, but if you don't mind perhaps causing a little bit of damage there, as you can see I did, you can just put the corner of the tool in there and kind of get under the battery. But what I would really recommend, because this is a bit more difficult and you might ding up your device there, is to use a smaller tool like this precision screwdriver. You could also use a paper clip, toothpick, bobby pin, something of that nature. We just want something that's thin enough to go in here. And you can see how easy that is once you have something that actually fits in that area. What we're doing is just pushing in that area down and prying back, and the battery comes right out. If you want something like this, if you don't have the right tool, I would recommend these precision screwdrivers. This is exactly what I'm using here, and you just get a couple different sizes, and this is just a couple of dollars on Amazon. So if you're interested, that will also be linked in the description. But again, paper clip, something like that. So we're just inserting in that little hole and prying the battery out. And when you are putting your CR2025 battery in, the new battery, of course, make sure the positive side that has the plus on it and all of that text on there is going face up. So you will just click it back into place. And of course, click the two halves of the device back together, and you can test to make sure the light comes on. That means you did everything right and you are good to go. So I hope that was helpful to you. And if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every maker model. So you can check those out, or actually visit us directly at fobbattery.com.